This is the Coeur cardigan. If you bought a hand-knit piece like this in a boutique, it would cost you upwards of £350. But I made this in just 3 days for a fraction of that price. Today I'm breaking down exactly how much wool you need, how it's constructed, and the secret to attaching these massive sleeves without losing your mind. To get this luxury look, you don't need luxury prices. Here's the exact breakdown. First of all, the wool. I've used this chunky 100% merino wool. It's 100 grams and approximately 65 meters per ball or 71 yards per ball. I leave the link for this yarn down below. The quantity. You will need approximately 900 grams if you size M or L, and that's exactly 9 balls. So the total cost is £90. That is a £260 saving just for using your hands. And the pro tip, if you already have stash yarn which are matching the characteristics, or alternatively, if you have an old chunky yarn sweater you could upcycle, your cost will be zero. So that's the zero cost option for you. Don't be intimidated by the size. The construction is actually very simple. It's built in 5 main panels: the back, the left front, the right front, and 2 sleeves. We knitted bottom up. The key is to the Coeur look is this specific combination of knit and purl stitches, which make it knit up so fast and available for beginners. Now the tricky part. How do you attach a sleeve this big to the body without it looking messy? Most people get it wrong. Let me show you how I made it. I would recommend to pin it as well. Pin it first and then stitch permanently. And you will need to start on the sides. Attach 2 sides first with the pins. Like you see on the video, just pin it first on the sides. With no folding, it should be as it is, so you lay one on another and just pin it. Repeat the same on the other side. Then you need to fold the center and pin it to the shoulder, then 2 separate folds on the left and one on the right. Once you pin it with the pins, you need to work all the way with the needle and yarn to attach it permanently. This is how the puff sleeve should look like. Just stitch it over. And this is a final result. And there you have it, a £350 statement piece for only £90, and a weekend of fun. If you want to build a high quality wardrobe that saves you money, hit subscribe button. And let me know in the comments, what color would you choose for this project?